Join me as I dive into the challenge of boosting my digestive health with just one supplement for a whole month. When it comes to our overall health and well-being, having a healthy digestive system is essential. And let's face it, many of us take it for granted until we start experiencing problems. That's why I want to talk about the importance of supplements in maintaining our digestive health. By incorporating the right supplements into our daily routine, we can significantly improve our digestion and overall well-being. Let's be real, digestive issues are incredibly common. Many of us have experienced bloating, constipation, or indigestion at some point or another. And if you're like me, you've probably tried everything from changing your diet to exercising more, only to find that the problem persists. But what if I told you that there's an underlying issue that could be the root cause of all these problems? Bloating, for example, is often a sign of poor gut health. When our gut isn't functioning properly, it can lead to a buildup of gas, which can cause discomfort, pain, and even embarrassment. And constipation, well, that's a whole other story. When we're not eliminating waste properly, it can lead to a buildup of toxins in our body, which can cause a range of problems from fatigue to skin issues. And indigestion, well, that's just plain uncomfortable. But here's the thing, all of these issues can be linked back to one common problem: an imbalance of gut bacteria, and that's where our supplement comes in. So what is this miracle supplement? It's a prebiotic fiber supplement that's specifically designed to boost our digestive health. By increasing the good bacteria in our gut, we can improve our digestion, reduce symptoms of bloating and constipation, and even boost our immune system. And the best part? It's backed by science. Studies have shown that prebiotic fiber supplements can significantly improve gut health and reduce symptoms of digestive disorders. But what really sets this supplement apart is its ability to feed the good bacteria in our gut, allowing them to thrive and multiply. This can lead to a range of benefits from improved digestion to increased energy levels. And let's not forget about the immune system benefits. By boosting our good bacteria, we can reduce our risk of illness and infection. So, what's the key insight or surprising benefit of this supplement? Well, for me, it was the fact that it can actually change the way our genes express themselves. That's right, by increasing the good bacteria in our gut, we can actually influence our genes to behave in a healthier way. This can lead to long-term improvements in our overall health and well-being. Incorporating this supplement into our daily routine can have a significant impact on our digestive health. And the best part? It's easy. Simply take a serving of the supplement each day and let the good bacteria do the rest. Thanks for joining me on this journey to boost my digestive health. Remember, taking care of our digestive system is crucial for our overall health and well-being. And with the right supplement, we can make a significant difference in our lives. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more health tips, and check out my video on the top foods to eat for digestive health.